Anne, I'm so glad you're here. I've been experimenting with this new model all afternoon. Try these on.
Whoa! What the?
I must be still missing something.
I felt like my eyes are being pulled out of my head. Was that supposed to happen?
Of course not. You were supposed to be able to see a new dimension of color, a dimension that humans have never seen before.
Well, at the moment, I'm having trouble seeing anything at all. I think you need to work on your fancy tool.
It appears so. Perhaps if I used thinner lenses and different materials, but nothing seems to work.
Dr. Radcliffe, I thought you were working on developing more efficient solar power. What's this new project about?
And I visited a bird sanctuary last weekend, and I learned all about hummingbirds. Their eyes can differentiate between different shades of ultraviolet light.
Wow, I never knew they had such keen eyesight.
It is indeed miraculous. It helps them find flowers with the sweetest nectar. What a marvelous creation.
So, are you trying to build glasses that give people the eyes of a hummingbird?
Yes. But I'm having no luck at all. I've been working like a research fiend for 3 days running, and I still have more questions than answers.
Well, I have a question, Dr. Radcliffe. Why do you think humanity needs this invention?
To show them the true nature of the world. And if I can help people see the world with new eyes, it may encourage them to think differently. Maybe they'll even care more about the environment.
If that's the case, then you can count on me, Dr. Radcliffe.
Good. Try these on again.